We're out here playing pickleball with our family today. We make these custom paddles with wood, and then we custom engrave a name, initials, a phrase on there so you know it's yours. But even more to that, we have a custom handle that we make. We 3D print these, and they have that nice stop at the end. Good grip there, and they're just a lot of fun. Great sound, so much fun. Hoping that it encourages you to get out and play with your family, with your friends this season, and just have fun. It's a great activity and just a good way to get outside and enjoy this weather. So we have about a week turnaround time, and if you would like to get one of these ordered, please just give us a shout out and message us, and we can get one created for you.